Okay, so on this question, they're asking us to simplify -2 to the -1 power. So how do we do that? Well, bring it down here. We have to remember that negative powers make things jump to the other side. Let me write that rule. Negative powers, it's like they're negative. They're unhappy. Kind of an analogy to help you. Unhappy. They're unhappy with, like, if somebody that's unhappy at their job, they jump to the other side of the fraction, then they become positive. So this one's going to jump down. So this will equal 1 over -2 to the +1. See how that power changed? It was -1, now it's +1. Now, the thing inside the parentheses doesn't change at all. And that's the common mistake that it's easy to make, is to say, well, negative times negative is positive. No, we can't do that. And the reason for that is it's because powers don't interact with base level things, right? This -2 is on the base level, and this -1 is up in the power zone. So it's kind of like, you know, powerful people, governors and presidents and mayors don't interact with me. I'm a regular common person, right? I don't go to lunch with the mayor or the governor or anyway. So it's kind of like that. If that helps you remember, there's base level stuff and power level stuff, and they do not directly interact. You can't go negative times negative is positive. If this -1 was a base negative, yeah, then two negatives would make positive. But he's up in the power zone, so that's a different world. He does not directly interact. In fact, what he does is he's the boss, and he's a negative boss. So if you have a negative boss, you're unhappy, you want to jump to a new job. So it jumps down to the bottom of the fraction. And then he's got a positive boss, a happy job, right? So negative powers just they're unhappy, they're negative. They jump to the other side of the fraction, and then become positive. So now what do we do from here? This is -2 to the +1 is just -2, right? I mean, +1 power doesn't do anything. So it's just, you know, you can put the negative in the front if you want. It doesn't matter. Negative in the front. When you have one negative on a fraction, it doesn't matter where it's at. Top, you put it on the top, bottom, front, whatever. It's all the same. There's the answer. There we go.